Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best wash and shine kit is probably one of the most essential investments a car enthusiast can make, offering a comprehensive solution to achieve that showroom-worthy gleam right in your driveway. And today we're diving deep into the Chemical Guy's 7-piece wash and shine kit to see if it truly lives up to its reputation for delivering a superior cleaning and detailing experience that will leave your vehicle looking immaculate and protected against the elements. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Extreme Body Wash and Wax Car Wash Soap. Introducing the Extreme Body Wash and Wax from Chemical Guys. This powerful formula delivers thick, clinging foam for a superior clean. Infused with carnauba, it enhances your vehicle's gloss, leaving a brilliant shine after every wash. It's designed to be gentle on your existing wax and sealant layers, ensuring protection while it cleans. Enjoy the refreshing and invigorating scent of grape as you wash your car. Use it with foam cannons, pressure washers, or traditional buckets for a versatile and effective cleaning experience. This generous 1-gallon size ensures you have plenty for multiple washes, keeping your car looking its best. What we like. This product creates thick, clinging foam for superior cleaning power. Its carnauba content adds a brilliant gloss to your paintwork. If you're looking for a wash that offers both deep cleaning and enhanced shine, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit has everything you need to get your car looking amazing. The microfiber towels are super soft and great for drying. The wash and wax soap leaves a brilliant shine. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Extreme Body Wash and Wax Car Wash Soap. Discover the ultimate car wash experience with our Extreme Body Wash and Wax. It's designed to deliver a superior clean while adding a brilliant shine to your vehicle. Experience the power of its thick, clinging foam. Whether you use a foam cannon, gun, or bucket, it effortlessly lifts dirt and grime for a spotless finish. Infused with carnauba, this formula enhances your car's natural gloss. It leaves behind a stunning, mirror-like shine that will turn heads. Worry not about your existing protection. It's formulated to be gentle on your car's wax and sealant, preserving their integrity. Enjoy the refreshing and invigorating scent of grape during your wash. It makes the entire car cleaning process a more pleasant experience. This is the perfect solution for a thorough and protective car wash. Achieve professional results with every use. What we like. Experience the power of thick, clinging foam that lifts dirt with ease. Infused with carnauba, it leaves a beautiful glossy finish. For those who prefer a more manageable size for regular washes or smaller garages, this option provides excellent cleaning and shine. What people say. This kit includes everything you need to get a great wash and shine. The microfiber towels are very soft and absorbent, and they don't scratch the paint. The wash mitt is also very soft and holds a lot of soap and water. Number 3. Chemical Guy's Tire Kicker Extra Glossy Tire Shine. Introducing a revolutionary sprayable dressing designed to bring your tires back to life. Achieve a deep, wet look that truly stands out. This advanced formula revives the appearance of rubber and trim with an unparalleled glossy finish. It's perfect for tires, bumpers, and more. Tired of messy residue? Our unique formula dries to the touch, ensuring a clean finish without any greasy sling. Simply spray it on and watch the transformation happen. It's designed for effortless application and maximum impact. Enjoy a brilliant, long-lasting shine that enhances the overall look of your vehicle. It's the perfect way to complete your car's detailing. What we like. Achieve a stunning, deep wet look on your tires and trim. This sprayable dressing dries to the touch, eliminating messy sling. If you desire that fresh from the dealership tire appearance without the greasy residue, this is your go-to product. What people say. The microfiber wash mitt is super soft and holds a lot of soap and water, making washing the car a breeze. The drying towels are incredibly absorbent and leave the car streak-free and shiny. The wheel cleaner is very effective at removing brake dust and grime without damaging the rims. Number 2. Chemical Guy's Butter Wet Wax. Experience the ultimate shine with our revolutionary car wax. It's designed to give your vehicle a deep, wet gloss that stands out. This unique liquid wax spreads smoothly and wipes off with ease, saving you time and effort. Achieve a stunning finish on any paint color. Enjoy the delightful and sweet banana scent as you wax your car. It makes the entire detailing process a pleasure. Get ready for a show-stopping, deep wet shine that enhances your car's appearance. It provides a level of gloss you have to see to believe. Application is a breeze, and removal is just as simple. This wax is perfect for anyone looking for professional results at home. No matter the color of your car, this wax will bring out its best. It adds a brilliant depth and shine that complements every hue. What we like. This liquid wax delivers a deep, wet gloss that enhances any paint color. It's incredibly easy to apply and remove, saving you time. If you love a show car shine and appreciate a simple, effective waxing process with a pleasant scent, you'll want this. What people say. The microfiber wash mitt is super soft and holds a lot of soap and water, making washing the car a breeze. The drying towels are incredibly absorbent and leave the car streak-free and shiny. The wheel cleaner is effective at removing brake dust and grime without damaging the rims. Number 1. Chemical Guys Silk Shine Satin Dressing. Introducing Silk Shine, the ultimate dressing for your car's vinyl, rubber, and trim. It dries to a natural satin look without any greasy residue, perfect for both interior and exterior surfaces. This sprayable protectant works on various surfaces like dashboards, tires, and plastics. It restores their original look, repelling dirt and dust for a clean finish that lasts. Our advanced formula penetrates deep to nourish and protect, ensuring a like-new appearance for weeks. Built-in sun blockers shield against harmful rays that can cause fading and cracking. Modern cars feature matte and satin finishes. Silk Shine revives your trim to its original OEM look, providing a dry-to-the-touch finish that isn't sticky or greasy. The premium sprayable formula dries to the touch, attracting neither dirt nor dust. It's easy to use and keeps your exterior rubber and plastic looking great in any weather. Join the millions of car lovers who trust Chemical Guys. We offer not just premium products, but also exceptional support and extensive detailing knowledge. What we like. Restore a natural, satin finish to your interior and exterior plastics. It dries to the touch, preventing dust attraction and greasy feel. If you prefer an OEM look that lasts and protects against sun damage, this is the ideal choice for trim and dashboards. What people say. The wash mitt is super soft and holds a lot of soap and water, making washing the car a breeze. The drying towels are incredibly absorbent and leave the car streak-free and shiny. The wheel cleaner is effective at removing brake dust and grime without damaging the rims. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.